How are you all? Hope you all are fine and spending quality time with your family, right? I am Kinjal Jani going to tell you one story. You know which story is it? It's our favorite story. Yes, it's Three Little Pigs. So here we start. Once upon a time, there was Mama Pig and three little pigs living together. One day, Mama Pig said to them that they are grown enough now to build their own houses. So next day, they went to the forest and started building their own houses. First little pig started building his house with the straw. Second little pig started building his house with the wood. Third and last little pig started building his house with the bricks, stronger than wood house and straw house. And you know what? Who live in the forest? One big bad wolf. Next day, the big bad wolf came to the first little pig's house and knocked the door and said, little pig, open the door. I want to catch you and eat you." Little pig said, No, I will not open the door. I will not let you come in. Go away from here." And then wolf said, "I will huff and puff and blow your house down." And wolf started huffing and puffing and fall his house. And next, wolf started huffing and puffing and house fall down. First little pig ran to the second little pig's house and said, close the door, wolf is coming here." And wolf came to the next pig's house and knocked the door and said, little pig, open the door. I want to catch you and I want to eat you." Little pig said, No, I will not open the door. I will not let you come in. Go away from here." And wolf said, "Then I will huff and puff and blow your house away." And wolf started huffing and puffing and house fall down. Both pigs started running to the next pig's house, which is made up of bricks, right? Again wolf knocked the door and said, little pig, open the door and let me come in. Want to catch you and eat you." Little pig said, "No, I will not open the door. I will not let you come in. Go away from here." Again wolf said that I will huff and puff and blow your house away. And wolf started huffing and puffing. After trying hours and hours, he couldn't succeed to fall brick house. And he thought that he went into the chimney and he will eat three little pigs. But you know what? Third little pig was very smart. He kept hot water pot below the chimney, and when wolf came down and fall in the hot water pot, he burnt and died. And then three little pigs living happily in the brick's house. I hope you all enjoyed the story. But what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is your hard work and dedication is always work, right? So see you soon with one more new story. Bye.